Hello guys, hi, this is Sayan Mikram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. As we're covering the Excel series, let's get started. Today, I'm going to cover you regarding relative references and absolute references in Excel, and it's in formulas, in terms of formulas. So let's get started. So as we know, we have in previous session we have cover the topic on like monthly expenses. We have done with textual data, we have done with date analysis, we have done with numerical data, and we have done with some calculation over here. You could see they have calculated the column, and then we have calculated the rows, particular rows value. And let's see what we can do furthermore. And I'm going to explain you regarding absolute value, absolute references and relative references on this part. Let's see what we can do over here. See, it's all about the data what we have, and let's copy the data what we have, like Control C, and this is all about the data what we have calculated from the Jan 2021 for Jan 2021. And then we need to just Control V here. Let's see what happens. It's not getting copied. I need to copy now and then paste, then paste, then paste. But look at guys what happening over here. I'm pasting 15,800, but I got like 21,700, 12,700, 16,350. Is it different value? Yes guys, this is the different value what we got, and we need to check it out over here what's going on, and let's see what's going on. Yes guys, let's get started. And as we know, we are calculating this value based on this, and we got the result. Like we got the exact result what we needed, and that is about, just see, you could see 21,700, and again we got 5,000, like 12,700. if we calculate this all, yes, that is also right over here, you could see. And then 16,350, you could see over here 16,350. What's going on guys? What's going on over here? This is called absolute, like this is called relative references, where the value of this is calculated over here. You could see this all I have calculated. This is B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9. This all cells I have calculated, and I have got the value, and that is of sum of 15,800. And I am copying paste. I have copy pasted this all over here, and the same result I have got over here exactly, because this what we do is like the copy paste pattern has the same cell references overall here, the same pattern, so it will copy paste the same thing like C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, so on, and we got the same result. And over here same, it will be calculating like D3, D4, D5 till D9, and this will be calculating as for April we have in E, it will be calculating E3 to E9, so on. So it will follow the same pattern. So come towards here. See over here, it is following the pattern from B3 to E4. So let's copy this, so it will give the same result guys. See, just copy pasting it. Just copy pasting it, and it's showing the exact result what it's needed. And over here sum of total what I got, and again completely for 4 months it is calculating 66,550. if it's right, just let's check. Yes, it's right, exactly 60,550, and each and every value of the cell is exactly correct guys. See, could see 18,600. if we updated the value, because party somewhat, if I do 1,000 over here, it should be 4,000. See guys how the value is getting changed. So this is called relative references, where it is having a pattern of relative data of 4 from left side, and it will give the result of calculating the same thing to the right side. This is for the same, and here 7 from the upside, and giving the result calculating sum of above 7 values or 8 values down towards it, and 8 values. So it will give like complete values, like how much value we have. It will give complete value based on the result. So we could see it's 7 values. So completely it's calculating the 7 values over here, and it given the result 15, 18. So it will follow the same pattern till we are copying pasting over here. And if we do, let's check what's we can do over here is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. It will not work for 4 or 5 columns because it is working for 12, sorry, 7 rows. See guys, it is working for 7 rows. It will get error because it's counting 7 rows from the above. So it should be exactly the same. So let's do the same. Delete this all.